In today's class, we are going to learn how to fill in the blanks in present perfect tense. In question number 1, the answer will be has played. Why? Because the subject of the sentence is singular. In question number 2, you can see has plus eaten is the answer because subject is still singular. In present perfect tense, we use has have plus third form of verb. But if subject is plural, like that in question number 3, you can see my parents. This is not the singular noun. It is a plural subject. So if the subject is plural, we use have. Haven't driven would be the answer for the question number 3. Question number 4, you. Subject of the sentence is you. If the subject of the sentence is I, we, you and they, we use have. Have plus third form of verb. This is the present perfect tense. In question number 5, you can see Ali. Ali is a singular noun. Ali has brought would be the answer. If the subject of the sentence is singular, we use has. In the question number 6, you can see subject is still singular. Has will be there. Cut is the third form for cut. Has the gardener cut? Has the gardener cut the grass? In question number 7, you can see the subject is still singular. क्या आएगा? Yes guys, has would be there. Hasn't thought. Has, have plus third form of verb will be there if the sentence is in present perfect tense. Question number 8, yes, subject is still singular. Has will be there. And read, this is not read. It is having the same spelling, but its pronunciation would be read. Has read. In question number 9, you can see subject is not singular, it is plural. That's why has won't be there. It would be have plus third form of verb. Sandy and Mike have bought a new house. Question number 10 को देखें please. If the subject of the sentence is I, we, you and they, have will be there. Have plus third form of verb will be there if sentence is in present perfect tense. Question number 11. Think what would the answer? Have plus third form. I haven't stopped playing the piano. Have plus third form of verb will be there in the present perfect tense. Question number 12. You need to say yes please बताइए क्या आंसर होगा? Yes guys, comment me in comment section, and if you do the mistakes, I'll definitely make you correct. So please comment, like, subscribe this channel. It's for you, it's for your learning. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Goodbye to all of you.